Hello guys, today we are going to take you to the top 6 places to eat at FC Road, Pune. Established in 1935 by Hussain Ali Yakshi, it is one of the oldest Irani places in Pune. Few must-try dishes here are bun maska chai, bun omelette, keema, puffs, mixed veg samosas. Next on the list is Flavours Street, which is famous for different varieties of sandwiches and jamun short. These are super yum and fulfilling. Vaishali is a go-to South Indian place. It is always crowded, so make sure you go here early. We ordered Mysore masala dosa and dahi vada. Cheese onion uttapam, filter coffee and mango shake are some of the must-try items here. During my 7 years in Pune, I have always come to Koppa Chinese to satisfy my craving for Chinese food. My personal favorite here are chicken manchurian, Koppa combination rice, chicken lollipop masala and chicken hakka noodles. Next is Surve's pure non-veg restaurant. We promise you this place will satisfy your craving for authentic Maharashtrian chicken. Our personal favorite here is chicken special thali. Best part is here it is allowed to share one thali between the two. They serve variety of mutton, egg, dry fish dishes as well. Yana Sizzlers serve the best sizzlers in town. The fun part is while you wait for the order, you can utilize your time by playing games with your partner. They serve wide variety of sizzlers from veg to non-veg. Our personal favorite is spicy chicken square in coriander sauce. Super yum. Have you been to any of these places before? If yes, mention in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.